Do you want to turn off your active status on Facebook? So don't worry, you are on the right place, because in this video I'm just going to tell you how you can easily turn off your active status on the Facebook. So make sure to watch the full video to don't make any mistake, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started without wasting any time. And first of all, open up your Facebook account, and then after that just go to the menu, and then just click on this gate to open up settings and privacy, and just scroll down and until you see the option of active status. I'll just show it to you, that one. Just click on it, and now what you all have to do is just turn off this option, and then click on turn off. Turning off this option, nobody will be able to see your active status. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below.